Hi everybody and welcome back. My name is Samira and today we're going to be working on one of the exercises for chapter 8. And in chapter 8 it tells us to write a function, rev each word in sentence that takes a sentence of words that may or may not have a final period and which return the sentence that each of word of which is reversed. So basically we have to, in order to do this, we have to make another helper function on top. It's going to be def down word. So we do def down words. We use a doc string. We make an open list. An empty list. We assign len of word to L. We use a for loop, index in range L minus 1, comma, -1 and -1. This just tells us to reverse one of the letters in the word. We dot append that word inside of index. We return that inside of the empty list. Then we create our actual function. So this right here is going to be helping us for what's going to be down here. So I assign words to sentence.split. This is basically going to focus on the sentence itself, and this one's just going to be focused on the word of a sentence. So basically for word and words, which is right here, we have to dot append it with the empty list, down word. We append that with we append it because this code right here, this is just going to add the period. Add the period because when it gets reversed, the period is going to not be in the end of the sentence. So in order to do that, we have to do this function. We return quotation marks dot join e, and then I made another function which returns a period after the sentence, which I kind of did here, but it didn't actually work. So I did def period, and it says returns a period after the sentence. I used this as a helper function, sentence for word and words, which is this right here. If period and word, I use a if statement to conduct this to make this happen. And so let's see what would actually happen.